Hi.
Hi there. Comment ça va? Ich bin Lisa.
Konnichiwa.
Chiropractor Vitaly Kazakevich.
Hello, everybody. Today is my guest Elizabeth.
Hello. My name is Elizabeth and I am a teacher. I have sitting work. It's a reason why my back hurts. And today I came to the doctor Vitaly and we will do chiropractic adjustment my back.
Does it hurt?
Yes, everything bad.
What happened to you?
I don't know, I feel hurts.
Hot. It's very well. Oh, surprise.
It's my tattoo.
Relax.
Now better.
Oh. This problem. Big trigger point. Relax, relax. Now do light massage for you.
Okay.
Relax. Relax. It's you?
Yeah, it's me.
Now it will be better.
Okay.
How old are you?
17.
47?
Maybe.
Relax, relax. Yes. How do you feel?
Better.
Better? Yes, okay. Lay down. How do you feel?
Normal.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Open your mouth. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. How do you feel?
Normal.
It's okay. Relax, relax. Yes. Are you scared?
A little.
Does it hurt? Be patient. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Yes. Little bit. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes, I do. Are you a teacher?
Yeah. I'm English teacher.
It's okay. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Yes. Breathe in, breathe out. Yes. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay. Relax, relax. Oh, it's good. Oh, very well.
It's hard.
Painful.
Yeah.
Very well. Okay. How do you feel your neck?
Normally.
Relax, relax. Relax. No. One more. One more. Yes.
Okay.
Very good. For you, it's so important. Relax.
Wow, great.
Turn your head. Yes. Relax, relax. Very strong muscle. Be patient.
Even if I told you I could never let you go, I am
No,
not so sure
turn your back.
believe me.
How do you feel?
Everything okay?
Relax.
Painful.
This and this.
Both. Both of this.
Okay. Look at this. Your atlas is rotation, turn in the left. I understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. I will do correction. Your atlas. Can you help me?
Of course.
Relaxing. Are you ready?
Yes.
Relax. Relax. Well, one more. Good. Little bit. Are you here? Now better?
Yes.
Okay. Now traction. It's the compression in your atlas. Relaxing. Relax. One. Are you scared?
No, everything's okay.
Okay. Okay. Boy, give me Russian vodka. How do you feel yourself after atlas correction?
Better, thank you.
Very well. It's nice, perfect, good.
Yes. What happened?
Relax, relax.
Sorry, my hair.
Okay.
Okay.
Very nice.
Okay.
Sit down, please. Hands up behind your head. Yes. Relax shoulders.
Okay. Oh, it's so painful.
Good. Does it hurt?
No, everything
Okay.
okay.
Very good. Very good.
But it was painful.
Wow. This I find trigger point. How do you feel yourself when I do like this?
I feel painful.
Does it hurt? I will do a massage.
Okay.
Relax. Easy, easy, easy. How do you feel?
I feel painful.
Show me your feet and hands up. Okay. And relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Oh, breathe in, breathe out. It's okay.
Yes.
One more. Right.
Okay.
Hands up. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
I'm ready. I already. How pioneer. Yes!
I heard this.
Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Mobilization. How do you feel?
Okay.
Okay. Open your mouth. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Okay. Lay on your back. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Tell me about your experience. How many years you did it?
I have been 13 years.
Okay. So many.
I'm old.
Me too.
Relax. Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Are you okay?
Yes.
Sleep.
I want to sleep.
Good night. What do you think about my chiropractics?
I'm so surprised. When we did chiropractic, I feel myself better.
Good.
In conclusion, I'd like to say that you should try it.
Subscribe my channel and see you soon.
Goodbye!
Bye bye. Ciao, bambino.
Bonjour. Bonjour. Bonjour.